What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I had an absolutely insane day. Went 5 for 5 on trades and made quite a bit. So we're going to go through every single one. It was the first day of the week where we had actual news and we had a lot of it. So I was very cautious about trading, and I only traded in PM session, and boy did it go well. So here we go. Let's get right into it. There we go. All right. So first, as you guys can see, we had CPI at 830. That's why we had this literally massive sell-off. So here, as you can see, we made this high. So I was watching that high. This is from a 15-minute. We had these lows here. So this was the first play I had. And as you can see, the sell-off was so huge that, these lows had not been contacted since, past my plan. But I was able to find these lows on the 15-minute chart. So I was targeting those to be taken out. As you can see, on this sell-off after lunch, we made this fair value gap. I was looking for a strong inverse of that one. We danced around, and we broke free. Technically, could have played this guy, but since we were coming off of a sweep, first of all, the candle that inversed it had not finished the 15-minute, so I wanted to wait and see what the next candle would do. The next candle then broke through, so I was like, okay, I'm going to target this guy instead because, this is 15-minute liquidity, so I wanted to make sure that this didn't dump down and our sweep was a fake out, and it actually would just continue to go longer or lower since it was such a big sell-off. So then we closed below. I waited for an entry off a break of this, entered early because of this momentum candle, and as you can see, we rode, and it went all the way up to this buy-side liquidity. But I got out a little early for about a 5 RR. Beautiful play. I think it was about 80 pips maybe, or 80 ticks, I mean. So 80 ticks, and then fun little fact here. If we tap in to this liquidity from before, look what happened the last time we tapped it. Absolute sell-off. So now I was waiting for a short opportunity. As you could see, we made this fair value gap, entered early again, and although it says it was here, I let this guy go out. So I probably should change that. I didn't let it go to these lows. I let it go to the fair value gap that I played on the upper. And as you can see, 4.71. How many ticks was this? This was 93. So, sorry. Beautiful move. So back-to-back trades. I got the uptrend, and then I shorted the reversal of the play I played. And then guess what? 3 for 3. We dump down, we go right back to that low from before, made this inverse, and we absolutely shoot through it. I enter on the close, we get a bit of pullback. Many people may have gotten stopped out here if you put the stop loss here. And my stop loss was originally here, but after this candle, moved it down because I was like, I have a lot of, confidence, which, once again, with this strategy, comes with experience. If you have a lot of confidence, then it's going to go well. You just got to trust the strat. We inverse, pull back, and absolutely moon through. Targeted a break of this fair value gap, aka the stop loss of my short play. And we created a lower high here. Absolute moon for 3.27 RR and 112 tick move. Then we get some pullback. I didn't enter anything for a while. But then I saw, okay, on 1 minute, we have these equal highs. And what's the rule with equal highs? They're always going to get matched up again. So when I saw we had gone back to this same exact level, I made 3 insane long plays off the same level. This level was crazy today. So I see this inverse here. This is the only inverse setup we get. We inverse with strength. Stop loss at the bottom of the fair value gap that we inversed. Pull back and absolute moon. My take profit, where the equal highs, which we reached up to again. So that was a 2.5 RR. And a 60 tick move. Then we're making all these plays. So it's like, okay, I'm going to go for a short. I actually went 6 for 6, I think. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I went 6 for 6. So then, guess what? We get near our liquidity. This was a little bit of a jumpy play, but I just had an idea. So what I did was, we made this fair value gap. We inverse with strength. Hopped in and got a quick 3 RR. I was just sniping. I was thinking that we could get down to this fair value gap, which we eventually did, but I wasn't looking for anything crazier because we hadn't actually swept. We had just gotten near it. As you could see, we weren't sweeping that same level. So then what happened? So that was a 3 RR and 37 tick move. Then we're breaking through. We're making all these fair value gaps. I was watching this key level. And then what do you know? We make another inverse fair value gap, sweeping that same exact level. We played 2 levels today for 6 trades, all W's. We sweep, we inverse with strength. Not only do we inverse this one, we also inverse a 15-minute. So my stop was high, bro, because I was like, this has so much strength to go to the downside. And then as you can see, it just dumped. Targeted these lows, and as you can see, we closed out for a 325, aka 56 tick move. So that's how we do it. If you're wondering what the full strategy is, I have free videos labeling not only my rules for trading a prop firm, but also my strategy in general, how it works, liquidity, inverse fair value gaps, and daily bias. And fun fact, I have a Discord. Hit up my Instagram in the description for the Discord link. You add me on Instagram and you DM me, and I will accept it and send you the link through. It is free to join. I do free one-on-one mentorship to teach you how to do the strategy for free. And when summer comes along in about 2 months, I'll be doing live streams every single day. So yeah, that is the day. 6 for 6, absolutely beautiful moves. I don't know how many ticks it was in total, but very, very profitable day. And, glad to be back on track because the first 2 days price action was horrible because we had not had any news. And then we had a lot of news here, and we absolutely blasted. So I'm excited for Thursday and Friday. It should be more of the same thing. We have these beautiful inverse setups, and yeah, that's the strat. It works. And would love to see you guys in the Discord. So yeah, have a good one, and peace out.